So good day everyone. So in procedure number 2, we are tasked to create a program that will automatically display the corresponding distinct color pattern equivalent to my ID number. So the conditions are, first, each color must be on for 2 seconds. Next, display green at the start of the program and display red at the end of the program. Third, insert a 1 second delay where the LED will be turned off between transitions. And lastly, after the entire sequence, put a 3-second LED off state before looking back at the start. My ID number is 2021-4929A. So the color pattern will be green, azure, orange, violet, orange, and red. Green, azure, orange, violet, orange, red, green, azure, orange, violet, orange, red, green. So good day everyone. So in procedure 3, we are tasked to create a smooth color transition effect with 4 colors only. So based on the 4 colors assigned to my ID number, which is azure, orange, violet, and orange, it will display a smooth fade color transition effect when changing between each of the 4 colors. So the conditions are, each designated color must stay on for at least 2 seconds before transitioning, and each transition effect must be completed within a 5-second period, and the transition colors must be used in the farthest direction based on the color wheel. So first, from azure to orange, uh, the transition colors will go from azure, blue, violet, magenta, rose, red, and orange. And from orange, it will go to violet. So the transition colors is from orange, yellow, chartreuse, green, aquamarine, cyan, and azure, blue, then violet. Now from violet, it will go back to orange. So the transition colors is from violet, blue, azure, cyan, aquamarine, green, chartreuse, yellow, and orange. So in order to make a complete loop back from the start, which is azure, so from orange, the transition colors is from orange, red, rose, magenta, violet, blue, and azure. So that's it.